Dito tayo sa Curry Times. Libre daw kami ni Amo. Food sa Curry Times. Dito po yan sa Jewel. Sa airport of the Changi Airport. This is Nasi Lama here at Curry Times. Also same of my boss. Liko satay from Madam. Looks from Madam. See. Special for grandma is curry with the rice. See. Okay. Chafang na po, chafang with the coffee katay. See? Very nice. That's it, guys. Very fresh. I think it's very nice here. Tauki. Diba? Guys, later on, marami na yung mga tao dito mamaya kakain. Kaya ngayon pa lang maaga kami dito pumunta sa Jewel. Dito yun guys, sa terminal kung saan dito yung Curry Times. Tara na.